Hey everyone, so more and more Shiba Inu is being bought. Crypto funds registered largest weekly inflows since December. What exactly does this mean? Be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you updated with more news. Capital flowed into Bitcoin funds for a second consecutive week, while Ethereum products registered their largest 13th gain. How is this connected with Shiba Inu? Institutions. They're bullish on Bitcoin, and after Bitcoin, they're coming for SHIB and all other tokens next. This is huge. Ether funds saw inflows totaling 25 million, which was the largest in 13 weeks. Inflows into multi-asset investment products also increased by 8.6 million. The amount of Bitcoin held by public companies has gained significant market share from the held spot in ETFs. Crypto markets have exhibited a higher correlation with public equities since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, which means the digital assets have been negatively impacted by the legacy finance shift to a more risk-off environment in the recent months. The shift will likely be prompted by Federal Reserve's plans to begin normalizing monetary policy. But however, according to crypto hedge fund Pantera Capital, the correlation between stocks and crypto is a short-lived thing. As CEO Dan Moorhead noted, since 2010, correlations between Bitcoin and the S&P 500 usually spike over a 2-month period before decoupling. Moorhead noted 6 downtrends of the S&P over that period, so it does seem like crypto is falling overall as Ethereum total value locked, which Shiba Inu is on, drops to 55% as Bloomberg analysts paint 1.7k bearish target. So could be really, really bad for Ethereum overall. Ethereum total value locked went to total lows, declined below 55%, its lowest level on record from 97% of the start of 2021. So it's getting crazy. It's getting definitely crazy, and we are gonna be seeing lots and lots of regulation, and that regulation is probably gonna be good and bad for crypto. It might drop and lower prices. Who knows? But right now, we are going to be looking at what is going on. Bitcoin sub 40k range, trading and mixed data reflect trading uncertainty. So usually after strong Bitcoin rallies like the one we saw today, we tend to get followed through. As I said earlier, the sheer disbelief during the rally was optimistic in short term. Still no guarantees of too high stability, but at least maybe a local uptrend. So lots of things are happening, but right now we are still seeing a bear market for Shiba Inu. Do I think it's a real bear market? No, I think the market can't even decide for itself. It's going up and down. Ethereum traders also reduce their bullish threats as Ethereum struggles to reclaim 3K. Ethereum price is stuck in a rut, and these 3 metrics suggest the downtrend is nowhere near an end. So, it could still be a bear market. I think a lot of Shiba holders don't realize there's, a lot of these graphs that professionals make. And what I want to see is, this is what they said. All the data points to further downside. From the perspective of the metrics discussed above, there's hardly any sense that Ether price will flip bullish. And again, if Ether price can flip bullish, where the blockchain is for Shiba Inu, how can Shiba Inu then flip bullish? So obviously they're just doing development, their own thing. Moreover, the total value doc data does not back a strong usage indicator of Ethereum smart contracts, losing ground to competitors, which while constantly delaying the immigration to proof of stake solution is likely pulling investors' attention away and making long-term investors feel uncomfortable. So nobody's sure, and people are uncomfortable. People are simply uncomfortable with what will happen next with crypto. They don't know if the war is going to continue for the next 20 years, for the next 40 years, or for the next 2 months. That being said, I'll keep you updated with all the news. Be sure to smash that like button, and peace, everyone.